Most students miss this type of question in exams. Let's solve it step by step using one powerful circle theorem. In the diagram, line Vx is a tangent to circle UYW at W. Our line Vx is a tangent that touches the circle at point W. If WY is parallel to UV, our WY is parallel to UV. Angle UYW is equal to 95 degree. UYW is 95 degree. And angle UWY equal to 46 degree. UWY equal to 46 degree. Find angle UVW. UVW. Solution. Let us consider triangle UWY. In triangle UWY, our angle WUY plus our angle UYW plus our angle UWY equal to 180 degree. Because sum of angles in a triangle are equal to 180 degree. So our angle WUY plus angle UYW plus angle UWY equal to 180 degree. Our angle UYW is given to us as 95 degree, and our angle UWY is also given to us as 46 degree. So let us substitute them into this equation. Angle WUY plus 95 degree plus 46 degree equal to 180 degree. Our angle WUY plus 95 degree plus 46 degree will give us 141 degree. 141 degree equal to 180 degree. Our angle WUY equal to 180 degree minus 141 degree, because if we transpose plus 141 degree to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative sign. So angle WUY equal to 39 degree. This angle equal to 39 degree. Using alternate segment theorem, which says the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment of the circle. So the theorem says, in this case, our tangent is Vx and our chord is WY. And the theorem says that the angle between this chord and this tangent are equal to the angle in the alternate segment. That means that this angle YWX is equal to our angle WUY. So angle YWX equal to angle WUY. Our angle YWX equal to 39 degree, because our angle WUY is 39 degree. This place is 39 degree, and because our line UV is parallel to our line WY, so we can say that our angle UVW is equal to our angle YWX, because they are corresponding angle. Angle UVW equal to angle YWX. Angle UVW equal to 39 degree, because our angle YWX is 39 degree. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and share with someone preparing for exam. Thank you.